Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So this video I'm going to teach you how to fix the Roblox error code 267. Make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you don't miss any important step or information, and without further ado, let's get on it. So lots of Roblox players reported that they run into the error code 267. So why does the error code show up? So the culprits behind the issue could be the addition of illegal script by the developer and other factors including the incompatible web browser and poor network connection. So how can you fix this error code? So in this video, I'm going to show you some fixes, and the first one is to update your browser to its latest version. So updating your browser to its latest version can help you get rid of the Roblox error code like 267 or the 277, as well as keep your computer from the cyber attackers. So here's a tutorial on how to update Google Chrome to its latest version. So the first step that you need to do is to simply launch Google Chrome and click onto the three vertical lines at the top right corner, and you will get the menu. And after that, move your cursor onto the help option and then just simply choose the About Google Chrome option from the submenu. And Google Chrome will automatically update itself to the latest version if it is available. And when the updating process finishes, you can try to relaunch Roblox and check if the error code 267 persists. And then if it did, what you can do next is to reset your browser's internet settings. So this fix is also helpful, so just give it a try. Although it seems like basic step or troubleshooting step, but it is actually quite helpful. So here still take Google Chrome as for an example. So to do this, just first what you need to do is to launch Google Chrome and access its menu and simply select settings option from the menu and scroll down the settings page and click the advanced option once you see it. Then after that, just continue scrolling down the page, click the restore settings to the original defaults, just like right here as shown in the photo, and click the reset settings button. And then that's it for the second fix. And what you can do next is to disable ad blockers. So are you if you're using ad blockers can keep unnecessary ads from you, so they can trigger Roblox error code 267. So please temporarily disable them if you're using these tools. So here are the steps that you need to do to be able to disable the ad blocker on your Google Chrome. So right-click the ad blocker icon next to the Google Chrome's address bar and select the disabling options from the menu. And then lastly, what you can do is to run Windows Internet Connection Troubleshooter. So there is a boon for the Windows users. So Windows offers an internet connection troubleshooter that can help you solve Roblox error code 267 caused by unstable or interrupted connection. So here's the steps that you need to do. So again, right click on the Google or the Windows icon rather on the taskbar, and then just simply choose settings from the menu, and on the settings window just select update and security, and then just switch to the troubleshoot tab on the left side, and then just locate the internet connections option and click it, and click the run the troubleshooter button. So this is the run troubleshooter button as shown in the photo. So when troubleshooter finishes its task, please relaunch Roblox and see if the error code 267 disappears. And so that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you don't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.